How many tools does your company use in a day for their marketing efforts? Think about it. Now multiply that by sales, HR, support, and oh my gosh, it could be a ton of tools. And one has to ask themselves, where does all the data and insights that these tools are collecting go? I mean, do you even get a chance to look at them? Well, Sprocketeers, that's exactly what we're gonna cover in today's video. I have to ask, because I know what's ahead. Are you buckled in and ready to roll? Then hey, you know what time it is.
Are you a HubSpot user looking for fun and interactive education that helps you be better at HubSpot? Then welcome to Sprocket Talk.
That's right, it's your boy George B. Thomas from SprocketTalk.com bringing you yet another HubSpot educational video. If you're a sales, marketing, or service professional looking to learn more about HubSpot and those inbound strategies to help your business grow, then guess what? You're in the right spot. Make sure you, yes you, subscribe and keep learning more, and use the comment section below to ask us all the inbound and HubSpot questions that you may have. Now, without further ado, let's get into the good stuff. Oh my gosh, so many apps, so much data. What is one to do? Well, a hint for you is a transition that HubSpot made a couple years ago. They went from an all-in-one software to an all-on-one software. While that sounds like almost the same thing, it has meant a world of change, flexibility, and success in better reporting and understanding of their prospects, leads, and customers for many HubSpot users. So where can you get all of these tools that you may be using connected into your HubSpot Hub? That's simple. It's the HubSpot App Marketplace. Now, you might be wondering, what is the HubSpot App Marketplace? And I would say to you, great question. And that's why I'm here. The App Marketplace features hundreds of third-party tools that HubSpot users can integrate with their HubSpot accounts. Businesses like yours can discover new integrations and connect their tools, teams, processes, and data. That's important, data, teams, and processes with one single connected system. The HubSpot Marketplace really streamlines the process of finding and connecting the right app for the right job, and also makes it easier for developers to build and list new integrations for us HubSpot users. Thanks, HubSpot. Some apps you may be using or may want to check out are apps like Google Search Console, 7th Sense, SurveyMonkey, Zoom, Shopify, Databox, Lucky Orange, and well, if I was being honest, the list could go on and on and on and on. That's enough of that. Now, let's take a look at the App Marketplace and see how easy it is to find and filter those apps that you might be looking for. So it's time to look for all those possible third-party integrations, those platforms that you use so that you can make HubSpot instead of just an all-in-one and all-on-one platform. So what we'll do is we'll move here over to the little marketplace icon. Once you click on that, you're going to see that there's the App Marketplace and the Asset Marketplace. We'll talk about the Asset Marketplace in another video, but you're also going to be able to see any connected apps that you already have. But in this case, we're going to go ahead and go in and do App Marketplace so that we can start to search. Now, once you initially get in here, you're going to see that you can manage your apps in the top right-hand corner, and there's even a link for Build Apps over here that you can check out if this fits for you. So what you might do first is come into this search functionality bar and go ahead and do a search. In this case, we'll do Salesforce. And if you use Salesforce, you're going to see that Salesforce shows up as well as some other apps that make sense along with that search. Now, if you decide you're not going to do a search first, you can also hone down by categories. You're going to see that there's marketing, account-based marketing, advertising. Well, you can scroll through this and you'll see that there are a ton. Also, if you're just trying to discover, you can see all collections, popular apps, new apps, free apps. You can scroll down and see that there's categories here on the left-hand side, and you can even filter by pricing, compatible with HubSpot plans. So if you know that you're on the Marketing Hub or the Sales Hub or the Service Hub, and you only want to look at apps that work with the hub that you're on, and you can see there's a bunch of other ways that you could filter with HubSpot features, data flow, all sorts of things here. What you're going to want to do is look for ones that make sense for you. A couple that you might want to look for, of course, Gmail or Outlook, depending on what you use, you may want to integrate that. If you are using WordPress for your CMS, obviously the HubSpot for WordPress plugin connection, we want to do that as well. And then you can start to think out of the box of maybe Slack and doing some type of internal communication based on workflows, or you may even think of something like Asana for your project management and being able to tie that into your workflows as well. It's really just going through these apps, having a conversation with the folks in your company, and again, think sales, marketing, service, all departments, coming up with that list of third-party applications that your company is already using, and then coming in here and making sure that we're getting them connected with your HubSpot all on one platform. So you might be wondering, how do you connect the apps? It's so simple, a 6-year-old could do it. No, really. Simply find the app and then walk through a guided step-by-step process, and boom, there you go, good to go. Now, pro tip, make sure you get with the different departments of your company and come up with an exhaustive list of third-party tools that you use or may even want to use in the future. Then search, find, and connect them to your HubSpot Hub. After that, sit back and enjoy all the data and insights your entire team now has at their fingertips. Hey, did you like this video? Then head over to SprocketTalk.com for more actionable and tactical HubSpot user resources. Make sure you subscribe to the channel and hit that bell as well for those instant notifications, and so that we know that you're part of the Sprocket Talk community. Until next time, make sure you're focused on being a happy, helpful, humble human, and as always, make sure you're doing some happy HubSpotting.